Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're checking out one of our brand new listings right here in Roswell. It's a ranch property, renovated and on a completely flat lot. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to downsize and be next to Downtown Roswell near Canton Street, this is the perfect property for you. So guys, without further ado, let me show you our brand new listing.